Well, good morning. I'm Howard Watson. I'm the Chief Technology and Information Officer for BT in the UK. So in my keynote here at Broadband World Forum today, I guess the key point I've been talking about is a consumer and a technology perspective. So from a consumer point of view, customers want more and more bandwidth, more and more choice, and clearly they want to spend ever less for that. And our challenge there is how do we add great services and great capability and new things into what we provide to customers so that we can adopt a more for more strategy to work alongside that. So the key changes that we're seeing from consumers is this increasing demand for more and more bandwidth. We can work on that from a technology point of view. New technologies like 5G really help ultimately drive down the cost of providing bandwidth. Converging our fixed and our mobile and our Wi-Fi networks really allow us to make the best of all networks to help fuel that growth in demand. But increasingly it's about the new services we can add, how we transform how customers use voice, how we transform the problem that most customers currently have, which is when they're on the move, whether inside the house or out and about, finding the best place to find wireless reception. How do we make that no longer a problem for consumers, adds real value? And then using real true insight into how customers use networks allows us to deliver great service. Yeah, 5G is now very much here and now. 2 or 3 weeks ago, we launched in Canary Wharf in London the first live 5G trial. This is using the Release 15 3GPP standards, 5G new radio, sub-6 gigahertz spectrum, delivering multi-gigabit per second capability to customers. Now, the CPE's not quite there yet, that will come next year, but today allows us to demonstrate the capabilities that 5G will offer and start to learn how customers can really use that great capability. The challenge really is getting the chipsets available for the new standards for 5G, getting the power consumption of those chipsets down to a point where if we go and buy a 5G smartphone, it has a battery life as good as a 4G smartphone. Those are the challenges that my colleagues in the industry are working through right now, and I think will have solved towards the back end of 2019. There will be smartphones available from the middle of next year, and they will evolve and improve over time. Yeah, last year in my keynote, I was asking the vendors in our community to work closely together to help think end-to-end about customers. Today, I've supplemented that by saying we as network operators need to work together beyond just the standards bodies that we collaborate in. We need to share the results of field trials, understand the opportunities and the business cases, and then work to deliver great things for customers.
And then finally, where next? What's 3, 5, 10 years away for you?
If you'd ask me what's 3 to 5 to 10 years away from me, I think it is continuing that great smart network. Customers increasingly don't want to worry about how they consume bandwidth. They don't want to worry about what devices they use. No doubt in 10 years' time we'll have devices embedded in our body, receiving mobile or Wi-Fi. We need to keep pace with that and ensure that we have great networks and great services.
Howard, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
Right, so if we can just get a couple of questions.